Hi, Dev. You look like your hat's falling down. Shall we fix it? Shall we fix that hat? There we go. Oh, now it's up a little too high. Let's fix it again. There we go. That's better. Keep those ears warm. What do you have, Dev? You have a rock. That's right. Uh-oh. Who's that? Oh, dirty cat. What is that, Devin? Say that again. What is it? Yeah, it's a cat. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Oh, nope, we don't go into the street. Stay on the sidewalk, Dev. Stay on the sidewalk. Bye-bye, cat. Say bye-bye, cat.